I'm still making my UGV both legally armed and armored. Today I will remove the Kickstarter with 8mm wrench and will cut the gear shifter with this saw and will remove this bull tail. One little note, guys, not to cut these wires while cutting the gear shifter. I will put it into the rear position and now I will have access to cut it properly. So I cut the shifter and changing positions. Very nice, it's okay for me. One more step for today. I have already told you that dimensions is very necessary for my project, and that's why I'll cut the tubes on the reduction box with this saw. Reduction box has aluminum body, that's why it was very easy to cut it with this saw. That's all for today. Next time I will show you the process of subframe making. While working I received such a Popeye smoking tube.